write for Santa letter.
Okay.
Why? Because Santa will give me gifts.
Gifts. Yeah? Okay, good.
So that Christmas tree I'm going to put there.
Ah, okay. So first, what is written here? Dear Santa, my name is
Arush.
Okay, like that. My name is Arush. Come with Santa. Okay.
This way like this.
No.
No.
My name is Arush.
Wow. But
Hold properly, Arush.
okay.
My name is Arush. Okay. I want to tell you. What? To tell you that I was a good boy this year.
Sorry.
Then I need lots of chocolates.
And lollipop.
Let's see if Santa can arrange everything for you. And you want to draw something for Santa? You can draw something for Santa. Just draw something for Santa.
Like this? Draw?
Yeah, draw whatever you want. Any picture for Santa you can just draw. Fold it.
Oh, it's okay.
So Santa will come and take this letter, okay?
Yeah. Now I keep it. I can keep it.
Okay, you kept it?
Yeah.
Okay. When you wake up from sleep, it will be full of gifts.
What?
Yes!
Yay!
Okay. This is a cute little Christmas tree. Okay, so can we keep all the Christmas decorations? You
Yeah.
can hang it. Okay, this one will keep it.
How much? This?
Actually, this is supposed to be kept, yeah, like a snowy effect like that. Will it look good? Will it look good? Do you think so? So, first thing we'll keep the star. Yeah, you keep it. Sit down. Okay, good boy. Okay. Then we'll hang this one by one.
This is Santa Apple.
Santa.
Broken.
Here.
This I decorate with my daddy, my mommy and me.
Good morning. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Let's go have a look at Santa's gifts.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're a good boy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come. See, Arush? Santa has left your gift here. Wow. Is that your gift? All right. Now, come on, take it. Oh wow, what is that? Oh wow, what is that, Arush? Kinder chocolate?
Hoodie jacket, right?
Hoodie jacket.
Good. Very nice. Okay. Yes, it's Christmas, right? So let's have a red one. Yes.
Oh.
Oh wow, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute.
Let us go on.
Check something is there inside. Santa
I
did
got
Santa.
something.
You got something? What's that?
Whoa!
What's that to show? Whoa, what's that?
I don't know.
My God, Santa gift.
Santa.
Wow, nice.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus? Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Okay, then bye. And say Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes, love you all. See? Okay. Beautiful, right? Looks amazing. Okay, so this is how